Most men chase. They overthink their messages, their outfits, their timing. They hope, beg, for attention. But the man who truly captivates doesn't chase. He attracts. And not through tricks, but through presence. Today, I'll show you why women are instinctively drawn to stoic men, and how you can become one. Think about this: a room full of noise, and one person, silent, but aware, calm, grounded. That's the kind of man a woman feels before he speaks. The Stoic doesn't rely on pickup lines. He doesn't need validation, because his sense of worth comes from within, not from who texts him back. His presence says, "I know who I am. I don't need to prove it." Psychologically, women are wired to seek stability, and nothing is more stable than a man who controls his reactions, who remains still in chaos. Imagine you're a woman. Your world is constantly flooded with emotion, pressure, noise. Now imagine a man who doesn't get rattled. When you test him, he doesn't flinch. When you pull away, he doesn't chase. When you open up, he listens, not to solve, but to understand. This isn't detachment, it's strength, and it creates emotional safety. That's the gateway to deep connection. This is what Epictetus meant when he said, "It's not things that disturb us, but our judgments about them." A Stoic man rewrites the judgment. He doesn't react, he reflects. Masculinity isn't aggression, it's direction. And most men today lack it. A Stoic man knows his values. He wakes up with purpose. He speaks with weight, not noise. He doesn't explain his worth, he embodies it. To the feminine, this is magnetism. Because women don't fall for words, they fall for energy. Not fake confidence, not swagger, but stillness, certainty, discipline. You become that man not by faking detachment, but by mastering your inner world. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. This isn't theory. Here's how you build stoic attraction. Pause before reacting. In conversation, don't rush to fill silence. Let it breathe. Do hard things daily. Cold showers, deep work, saying no. Discipline trains your nervous system to stay calm under pressure. Journal your thoughts. Write down every trigger, every irrational belief. Learn your mind so you can lead it. Detach from outcomes. Whether it's a woman texting you back, or a date going well, focus only on your actions, not results. Here's the truth. You don't become more attractive by adding layers. You become magnetic by peeling them off, until all that's left is presence, purpose, peace. That's the man she remembers. That's the man she trusts. That's the Stoic. If you want her to feel something, start by mastering what you feel. If this spoke to you, there's more. Subscribe for more modern Stoic wisdom, and drop a comment. What trait do you think women find most attractive, but men ignore?